Hey, you guys, me first. I'm getting rid of the ice on my car, guys. It's frozen right now. Gotta get rid of it. Yeah. Man, frozen. Let's use this de-icer. You can get rid of ice easily. See? Whew. Yeah, I should have brought my key so I can turn it on and use the wiper to wipe it. Oh, you just need to see it. Gotta see on the windshields too. Maybe this here is okay. Don't need to do that. Says I got a big rear view mirror inside. Look how icy it is. Holy crap. Dang. Alright. I'm gonna keep doing this, guys. I need to use both hands. So, yep. So cold. 32 degrees, man. Alright, peace, guys.